everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's learn English together with me. Today we are going to learn letter M. Words start with letter M. M is for monkey. M is for mango. M is for mouse. M is for monk. M is for mosquito. M is for mask. M is for moon. M is for model. M is for mother. M is for money. M is for monitor. M is for map. M is for mug. M is for milk. M is for mop. M is for mixer. M is for mouse. M is for man. M is for movie. M is for mouth. M is for music. M is for math. M is for mountain. M is for market. M is for mosque. Thanks everyone for watching. Subscribe for more videos.